One way you can reduce toxic loads in your body is by avoiding certain things. Artificial sweeteners is one of those key things you should avoid so that you don't have too many toxins in your body. Artificial sweeteners include things such as aspartame or sucralose, and these artificial sweeteners are found in many diet drinks or other products. When you heat aspartame up, one of the 3 compounds it separates into is formaldehyde, which is what they actually use to embalm bodies. So it's very toxic. So it's best to avoid it. The good news is here at the Tennant Institute, we've also digitized antidote frequencies to these specific toxins such as aspartame and sucralose. So if you're interested in improving your health, eliminate these artificial sweeteners from your body, and if you have used them for a long time, contact us, let us know, and we have ways to eliminate from your body.